Good morning and welcome to part 2 of the job that I'd done yesterday, which was the large patio on this house. So today we're cleaning the driveway. As you can see, filthy. Got the moss going between the blocks as well. This is a clay drive. Quite easy to clean. We shall be using the Mossmatic surface cleaner on this as opposed to the Water Tech today, as this one sits a little bit lower and it will get the moss out more effectively. You can see someone's had a go at this drive. Can you see the difference there? So I estimate this will be a day's work.
think that things aren't going my way, 'cause that would be boring. Spend my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning. Never mind, she declined to the first date. It was only on my birthday. Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, 'cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. Real good morning. Real good morning. I guess that things can only get better from here, but sometimes I wonder, I might have met the love of my life, but I lost a number. Never mind, she declined to the first date. I went to Vegas with a roommate. Never mind all the lines on the highway. I aim to misbehave, 'cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good time. Having a bad day, yeah. A real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. A real good morning. A real good morning.
Everybody get up. Everybody get up.
Okay, so that's us finished. This drive just needs to be resanded now. Beautiful day in Bournemouth today.
Wait a minute, cut this shit.